My name is Jason Tomei. I'm a Senior District Manager for Kawasaki Engines. I've been with Kawasaki for about 7 years, currently based in Atlanta, Georgia. So engine maintenance is so important to your engine because you're protecting your engine from dust and debris entering into your air filter and into your engine, also contaminants in the oil and in the environment. So your Kawasaki engine is the heartbeat of your equipment. In order to continue to get the best performance out of that engine, you want to continue to maintain it with genuine Kawasaki products. Over time, maintenance items need to be taken care of, and they need to be serviced. For starters, you always want to reference your owner's manual for correct maintenance intervals. So we always recommend starting the season off with a fresh tune-up, filters, oils, spark plugs. For oil, you want to check your oil daily, but you also want to change your oil about every 100 hours, if not more, depending on the environmental conditions that you're operating the engine in. When it comes to air filters, you're looking about every 200 to 250 hours. You want to change that air filter, but again, depending on the environmental conditions. Fuel filters are a small item, but they have a major impact. Many times fuel filters may get clogged because of particles in your fuel system. So if you notice that your engine is lacking power, it could be that your fuel filter may need to be replaced. When you clean off any dust and debris, you especially want to notice the chopper screen. The chopper screen allows airflow to enter into your engine to cool down the engine. So you want to make sure that there is not any restricted airflow to that engine. The range of products under Kawasaki Genuine Parts are from tune-up kits to maintenance items such as air filters and oil filters and fuel filters, all the way to replacement items such as coils and starters and gaskets. Kawasaki oil filters safeguard your engine from contaminants in the oil. It also features an anti-drainback valve, which allows oil to keep inside that oil filter so that it has proper startup lubrication. Kawasaki Genuine fuel filters play a crucial role in engine performance. It's designed to filter out any contaminants that enter into the fuel filter from getting into the engine's fuel system. Kawasaki air filters should be checked daily. If they're compacted with dust and debris, we advise customers to tap those out. Do not use compressed air, as that will create micro tears in the air filter. It's important that you ask your local authorized Kawasaki dealership if they're using Kawasaki Genuine Parts. Just because a generic part fits doesn't mean you're going to get the same level of protection and performance that you will get out of a Kawasaki Genuine part. Rest assured that Kawasaki Genuine Parts receive rigorous testing and are held to the same standard as your Kawasaki engine. Of course, we recommend visiting your local authorized Kawasaki Engines dealer for these types of purchases, as well as for their professional installation.